Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular dash cams, the ROVE R2-4K and the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dash cam. Today, we'll explore their features, performance, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for high-resolution video quality or comprehensive coverage, we've got you covered. The ROVE R2-4K offers stunning 4K video resolution, ensuring clear and detailed footage, especially at night. In contrast, the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dash cam records at 1080p per channel, providing decent quality but not as sharp as the ROVE. For users prioritizing video clarity, the ROVE is the clear winner. When it comes to coverage, the PRUVEEO shines with its 4-lens system, offering a complete 360-degree view around the vehicle. This is particularly beneficial for capturing all angles during driving. The ROVE R2-4K, while having a wide 150 degrees angle, cannot compete with the comprehensive coverage provided by the PRUVEEO. Price is always a crucial factor. The ROVE R2-4K is priced at $119, making it an affordable option for those seeking high-quality video without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the PRUVEEO comes at a higher price of $189, which may be justified by its additional features, but could deter budget-conscious buyers. In conclusion, both the ROVE R2-4K and PRUVEEO 360-degree view dash cam have their strengths and weaknesses. If you value high-resolution video and a compact design, the ROVE is an excellent choice. However, if comprehensive coverage is your priority, the PRUVEEO might be worth the extra cost. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.